Alright, let's talk about the point-slope form of an equation of a line. This is the general form of when we talk about point-slope form. The reason it's called point-slope is because you need a point and the slope, and they're clearly seen in the formula. The general formula is that y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Now, the y and the x that don't have a number with them, those will stay just y and x. You do not replace them with anything. The x1 and the y1, those are the numbers from whatever point you're given. And m is your slope. So, for example, if we were asked to write the point-slope form equation of a line that goes through the point 4, 6 and has slope of 2/3, this is how it would look. It's supposed to be y minus y1. And remember, the y1 is the y from our point. So that would be here. So it's y minus 6, the y from our point, equals m, our slope was 2/3, times x minus the x from our point. Now the x from our point was 4. So this is how you put it together. You will want to have this in your notes. Okay, you'll want to have, make sure you put the name of it, because there are other forms for the equation of a line, so you'll want to make sure you have the name point-slope form of a line, and then make sure you put the form there. Okay, that is the point-slope form of a line, and again, the x and the y that are just x and y will stay exactly that way. You will not replace them with anything. The x1 and y1 will be replaced with the x and the y from your point, and the m will be replaced with the actual slope of the line. So let's try one. Write the equation of a line in point-slope form. Watch for that, because there, like I said, there are other forms for the equation of a line. This one they want in point-slope form, which I'm going to write down over here just as a reminder, and again, you should have that in your notes. If it has a slope -2 and passes through the point 5, -1. So step 1 is to substitute the given information into the point-slope form. Okay, so again, it's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Again, the x and y that are plain do not get replaced. They stay x and y. Okay, everything else I replace. The y1 is the y for my point. Now, be very careful. Remember, x is first in a point and y is second. So here's the y for my point. That's my y1. So I have y minus -1 equals m. M is my slope, which I see up here was -2, so I put a -2 right there where the m was. X minus the x from my point that they gave me was 5. Okay, that's step 1. You replace the information. The next step is to simplify. And really the only thing I can simplify here is minus a negative. We simplify that to be plus, equals -2 times x minus 5. If they want it in point-slope form, you do nothing else. You just leave it exactly like that.